Today I'm going to make matcha pudding. It's a healthy and vegan dish which you can have in the breakfast or in between your meals. I will take one bowl and then I will put the yogurts, chia seed, like 1 tablespoon. Then we'll mix. And now I will take the matcha powder and I need to add hot water to dissolve it. I will make a paste kind of a thing, so it will be easy to mix this matcha mix. I will add almost a spoon and I will mix with a whisk. Then I will add the vanilla essence and I will sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder. I will mix again. I will check the thickness. So if I need little bit of milk, I will add little. And this is our chia pudding. And I will set in this bowl cubes of dragon fruit. So we have our chia pudding is ready. Now we need to set this pudding in the refrigerator for another 2 hours.
The chia matcha pudding is such an easy breakfast to prepare because you can make these big batches over the weekend and carry mason jars with you through the week. You can actually carry them to your office, to your work, have it in the car if you have no time, but it's very easy and quick to prepare. Matcha, one important component of matcha is it has something called L-Theanine. Now, when you're trying to get off tea or coffee, and really I tell people tea or coffee, the major problem is of course the caffeine content, but too much of sugar and too much of milk, both of which are really bad for you. So you want to start getting off tea or coffee. But when you start getting off tea or coffee, you're going to have these, caffeine withdrawal symptoms. When you have caffeine withdrawal symptoms, having food high in L-theanine, like matcha powder, will help you get off caffeine easily because it mimics the effects of caffeine in the body without giving you a caffeine crash. So introduce foods like chia matcha pudding. Besides this, chia seeds are very high in something called polyunsaturated fatty acids, the healthy fats, the fats which are important for your skin, for your brain health, which help fix your cells and repair your cells. So I highly insist you start adding this to your diet at least once or twice a week, if not more. The recipe is pretty easy to prepare. You would start by mixing your chia seeds with coconut yogurt, high in probiotics, important for gut health, and almond milk. And then you would mix it and keep this aside. Simultaneously prepare your matcha powder. The traditional way is to add a teaspoon of matcha powder with a little bit of warm water and keep mixing till you don't have any lumps. Keep that aside too. Mix the two, add fruits of your choice, and I would refrigerate for at least a couple of hours, at least 2 to 3 hours. This gives the chia seeds, the chance to fluff up in the way we like it. But if not that, then the easier thing would be prepare the mason jars and keep it in your fridge overnight. And in the morning, when it's ready, just grab one, keep it outside for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then start digging in. Hope this helps.